Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, and we're doing a review today of the Extang Solid Fold 2.0, the latest model. Actually, it's not the latest, it's been out for a few years, on the RamBox 1500 Ram. Okay, so what do we got here? Well, a lot of times people, I got a RamBox, what can I get for this? Well, there's actually quite a few. Now, not everything works with the RamBox, and we're going to talk about that. First thing first, I did a video and I forgot to open the RamBox, so that's before it even gets started. Does the RamBox work with this cover? Of course it does. Works great. That out of the way. So let's go in here and let's talk about our Extang Solid Fold here. Now, what's nice about the Extang, it's most important thing, it's very easy to use. These are your locking mechanisms here. Basically, it's just a pull down and locks in there. Very, very easy. So you come over here. These lock up in the top here. Now, I'm going to go into a lot of things, and this is where things get a little complicated, but not too bad. So let's take a look. I don't know if John can get in here. Now, the RamBox come with two rails. It comes with a silver rail and a black rail. What is the difference? Well, the black rail is designed for their soft covers. Basically, it has this little catch lip here, which, by the way, works with this. So basically, this is going to come out. Let's go ahead and that locks right here. Now, if your cover is not set up like that, you have to have a silver rail, or you have to remove the rail. Now, what's nice about the Extang Solid Fold 2.0, it works with the factory black rail, which is nice because you get to keep your track system in here. So again, it folds over here, so you can drive with it open. Basically, there's a little locking mechanism right here, keeps it from the wind catching it, and you don't have to worry about slamming open while you're driving, which is very nice. Now, if you look inside the bed, you do not lose any space in the bed, but you lose a little access from the top of the bed. There's two folds or three-fold covers. This is a two-fold, so you're going to lose a little space here, but the good news is real easy to take out. So if you have to take it out, it's not too bad. If you look in there, you need tools. You just have a little knob, you turn, take you a few minutes, you take it off, hooks up like a big suitcase, and you're good to go. So all in all, a real nice setup. Again, I have the RamBox here, but I can reach over. Now, you have to take into account pros and cons. One of the things is if you're very short, you might have a hard time reaching over. So for me, it's not a big deal, but for some people might, so I have to keep that in mind. Again, you hear the phone ringing, we're not picking up because we're doing a video. Now again, you come over here, you lock this in place. So you got always do both sides. So, all right. So now if you say, you know what, Chris, I want this. How do I get it? I'm glad you asked. You can go to the website, which is the bottom of this video. You can call the store, but don't use that phone number. Use the store number. That is not the store number. That's the number to the guy driving that truck. So if people keep calling that number, stop doing that. And you can always come to our store. You just walk right in. We have a beautiful brick and mortar store. You can see these things. We have them on display. You can touch and feel them. And we can do the installation for you, which is nice because a lot of companies are online. You don't know who they are. Do they have a store? Do they know anything about the product? You go to their website and they don't have a clue. We know this product. We install it. We work with it every single day, and we do a lot of them. We got 2,500 videos out there. That's a lot of videos. What does that say? We've been around for over a decade now. I think we're at a dozen right now, maybe a baker's dozen, I don't know, but we've been around for a while. So we know what we're talking about. If you're gonna call us, ask for John, who's behind the camera, Chris, that's me, Dave, Buddy, Herman, whoever answers the phone, we can help you. And the most important thing, we have the right answers. That's right, we don't just have answers, we have the right answers. So if you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all the new products. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 on a RamBox Ram 1500. Thank you.